Hello and welcome back to the channel. The point of this video is to help people who are new to Windows 11. We're going to make it look more like what you were used to on Windows 10. Hey, and if this video helps you out, I hope to earn your subscription today. I've decided recently that this channel will not be pandering to the YouTube algorithm, so we won't have any fluff in the video. Let's get right to it. I'm currently showing you a brand new install of Windows 11 Pro. You don't have to have the Pro Edition to follow this. I just happen to have the Pro license. Now, when I first installed it, I got angry at Microsoft once again for changing how I interact with their system. So let's go ahead and log in if I can remember the password. That's not it. Quit talking and type. There we go. All right, so this is what Windows 11 looks like when you first bring it up. Hopefully you can't hear that in the background. I'm running this off of a virtual machine, which is why this little menu pops up on the left-hand side. And my server is screaming right now. It must be a little bit warm. Anyway, yeah, so let's move this back to the left-hand side of the screen. Right-click on the start menu in any of this blank area. Any of this blank area over here works as well. And then click on Taskbar settings. I'm going to make this full screen because the resolution of this VM is not very good, but I'm not going to change it. So first things first, let's move this stupid thing back to the left-hand side. So we need to come down to Taskbar behaviors, click the drop down, and this taskbar alignment we're going to move back to left. And that is already so much better. But the other thing that I don't like is all of the Windows crap that's on here. When it comes to the search box, I don't need a whole search box down here, and there are little graphics that pop up here. Don't really care too much about it. So we're just going to change this back to a search icon only. You can hide it. I mean, most of the time people push the start button to bring up search anyway. Oh, that brought it up on my host machine, but this is what it would look like on your computer if it's a brand new Windows 11 install. And they just click up here and start searching for stuff. Like if you want to change some mouse settings, you can change some mouse settings. Anyway, the other thing I'm going to do is hide the widgets. So if you click on this widgets here, it takes forever to load because it's a Microsoft software. It's loading a whole bunch of stuff in the background. They do have some widgets that are slightly useful, but I don't think it's worth slowing your computer down to use them. You can just visit a website to find your news. So I always just come over here and click off the widgets tab just to get rid of it. So we'll close out of this. The other thing that I like to do when I get into a brand new fresh version of Windows is open up Microsoft Edge and download a superior browser and never have to open Microsoft Edge again. You got to sign your life over to use their stupid free browser. I usually close that one out, and then I come over here and I type Chrome download. And we'll scroll down a little bit to... Are they hiding it again? They did this dirty crap before. They scroll past it. It's hidden at the top. Okay, and make sure that Chrome's not getting your information for free. I mean, they're going to take it anyway, but go ahead and uncheck that box. Click download Chrome. Look at how fast that was. Maybe I should start using Microsoft Edge. Not going to do that. Okay, I'm clicking on Chrome setup. It's going to set up Chrome in the background, and then we can do this really cool thing right here where we close out the Edge browser. We right click on the icon down here and we unpin it from the taskbar. I wish we could just uninstall it, but I wouldn't recommend doing that. I always remove the Microsoft Store as well. It's just not worth having there. Okay, and then the last thing I want to do, this icon down here is OneDrive. OneDrive is a way of backing up your personal files. It also offers to automatically back up some folders on your computer for you. It is a massive scam because they give, if you sign up for the free version, you get like 5 or 10 gigabytes, which can fill up pretty quick when you're backing up computer files. So I always come over here to the start menu. I click on it. I start typing remove and click on add or remove programs. Then I come up here to search apps, type 1. And the benefit of doing this, uninstalling OneDrive, is you won't get the pop-ups anymore of, hey, please buy into Windows, please buy our software. All that crap sucks. So I just uninstall it. I use a software called iDrive to back up all my stuff. I think they've got a deal running right now where you can get 10 terabytes worth of storage space for $5 for the first year. And then it goes to, I think, $60 a year after that, which is just insanely cheap for storage. Okay, no, I don't want to sign in. Now that Chrome is pulled up here, we're going to right click it, click pin to taskbar. You can drag these icons anywhere you want. I always just move my browser farthest to the left. It's the one that I use the most. It just makes sense to me, I guess. And then you want to make sure to click this and say set as default. If you don't like Chrome, I don't personally like the company Google, but you can download something like Brave browser. Look at that, it popped up right there. You can also use Mozilla Firefox, and they all install the same way. I'm going to act like I know what I'm doing. I had to move to a left-handed mouse because my right hand is swollen from an injury. What did I say? Mozilla Firefox. And that's what Firefox would look like. They're all the same thing. They're just going to bring up web pages for you, serve you ads. Brave browser does offer crypto if you accept ads from them. It is not a ton of crypto. I think over the 2.5 years that I've used Brave, I've earned like $15 worth of crypto. So I would say probably not worth it. And then the other thing you want to make sure of, final thing, if you come down here and look at this time, some of you may not have the correct time here. What you want to do is right click it, click adjust date and time, and then find your time zone. So I'm looking for mountain time. That is still the wrong time for me though. So let's see if I can get this working the right way. It is definitely 8:10 here. Why are you doing this? Enable location permissions. Dang it. I'm not going to do that. Okay, well, let's synchronize, see what happens. Oh, it's using time.windows.com as its time server. That's part of the biggest problem. Okay, 8:10, so that worked. Go ahead and click the sync now button. And yeah, that's the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you have any suggestions for videos or you want any questions answered in a video, go ahead and leave them in the comments as well. Like and subscribe. I would appreciate it, and have a good day.